Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to go into Winnebago here. I haven't looked at this stock in quite a while, and I'll tell you why. There's really no magic to it because the stock's been moving down, and when stocks are drifting lower like this, it's really simple. I don't like to pick when they're going to move higher. I don't like to pick when they're going to stop going down. I just have it on a list, and every once in a while I look at it and move on because nothing's exciting. Well, I won't tell you that this is exciting, but it could be starting to get exciting because I want to look at this in in a real kind of a microscopic view. So you see this downtrend here. If we just kind of connect, for the most part, we connect this dot and this one, and then kind of right around there and here, you just kind of drag this line down. So the resistance line's right down there. So the stock finally broke through this in late November, and since that time it rallied up, almost hit 60, pulled back. Pretty big volume here, a little bit higher than average. And then the following day, Wednesday, a big high magnitude move down, but on lower volume. Thursday, boring, yawn, not that much volume. But then on Friday today, the stock gapped and ran. So it's right back up to where it was here, like this the top, this the bottom of this box. So the stock's just about ready to break out. I would say if the stock runs up to, say, 59, I wouldn't even wait for 60. If the stock runs up to, say, 59.10, I think you could take a shot and start a position, not a full position, because $60 is a logical place for supply to be hiding. But if you take a small position in the stock and then add to that position, if Winnebago runs above $60, I think this could work. I think could work really well. And then I would just put a stop like right underneath Thursday's intraday low of 54.15. I would put a stop at 54.10. That's your trade. Okay, one thing. If you did not see my video, my class that I taught last night on assessing tops and just kind of figuring out when you need to sell a stock versus hanging on to it, I taught this class last night. It's free to members, not for you if you're not a member, but it was free to members, and we got a lot of real positive feedback on it, really helpful to people. And in this kind of market, that's a real key thing, frankly. It really is. You got to know what to look for to sell, not just to buy. Everybody talks about buying. Nobody knows when the hell to sell. How's that for a rhyme? And so that's the thing that I went into, and I want you to see that. If you're a member, don't blow it off. Don't forget to look at it. We're going to be charging for it pretty soon. So get that viewing in and take notes. If you're not a member, sign up for the free trial. You can always cancel later if you want, but sign up for the free trial and then you can check it out too. And who knows, you might like it and decide to stick around. Okay, I'm not going to stick around. I'll see you Monday.